If you're worried about your first day in a criminal court and what will happen, keep watching. In this video, I'll explain to you exactly what happens on your very first day in court on a criminal case. And this applies to literally any court in the country. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney with 28 years of trial experience behind me. On this channel, I share my years of experience with you to help you better understand the law. If you're like most people, you worry about going to court for the very first time. It can certainly be daunting and very frustrating. First of all, you generally don't want to go to court without first hiring an attorney to represent you. If you go on your own, you're not going to know exactly where to go or what to do, and that will increase your anxiety. So it's always better to hire a lawyer as soon as you can, if at all possible. Now for this video, I'll give you a quick rundown of what it's like on your first day in court if you don't have a lawyer. First and foremost, you need to be in court on time. Judges hate it when you're late. Being early is best so you can allow for traffic, long lines getting into the courthouse, things of that nature, unexpected emergencies. Next, you must dress appropriately. No shorts, no t-shirts. You don't have to wear your Sunday best, but you do need to look respectable because this is the first time the judge and the prosecutor are going to be able to get a good look at you, and it makes a difference. Docket call is when they call the names of the people who are supposed to be in court that day. So you have to be there on time for the docket call. When they call your name, you have to stand up and tell them whether you have a lawyer. Once you've answered docket call, just sit back down and wait again until they call your name to go before the judge. When the judge calls your name, you have to approach the judge, and the bailiff will tell you exactly where to go and where to stand. Always address the judge as Your Honor, yes, Your Honor, no, Your Honor, yes, Judge, no, Judge, that sort of thing. The judge will then tell you what you're charged with and the range of punishment you face if convicted. Now, the judge only wants to know if you understand the charges, and that's why he says that. He may also ask for probable cause from the prosecutor. The prosecutor will then give the judge a very short summary of the facts leading to your arrest. One word of caution: this is not the time for you to argue your case to the judge. That's what your lawyer is supposed to do. Finally, the judge will give you 3 options about what to do next. He'll tell you can represent yourself, always a bad idea, or you can fill out a form and see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney if you're unable to hire your own attorney. Or the judge will allow you to reset your case and give you time to hire an attorney to represent you. And this is the option that most people take. So if you take this option, you'll step aside to the person known as a court coordinator. That person will give you a new court date and time to return to court with an attorney. Once you sign that reset form, you're free to leave. Now this whole process can take as long as 2 to 3 hours without a lawyer. With a lawyer, you can be in and out in as little as 20 minutes. So it's always a good idea to have an attorney with you on your first day of court to streamline this process. Now I know this is a very brief overview, but this gives you a general idea of what happens on your first day of court. I hope it was informative and helpful. Take away some of the stress you might be feeling. If so, hit the like button for me. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll be happy to answer them. You can always check out my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.